Tornado warning!
Weather Bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Monroe County in east central Ohio, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, north central Wetzel County in northern West Virginia until 8 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles southwest of Powhatan Point, or 11 miles southwest of Mountainville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clarington, Woodland, and Lincap. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county, Monroe, Ohio, and the following counties in West Virginia, Marshall, and Wetzel.